The assistant coach of Waterhouse. Just want to ask him to give us his thoughts on his game. Waterhouse 1-0 victory over Falkland today, having played in a previous game to a 0-0 scoreline with Dumble Holden. What do you make of today's performance?
I think it was a good performance. I think we're making the right strides in the right direction. I think we played as a unit today. We were very organized and we took that chance in the first half very early, and from that we were the better team. It's just that we should have scored a lot more today.
Do the conditions in terms of the early game, because this is the second game in almost 3 days you're having at 1 o'clock on this very hard Draxal surface with a lot of bounce. Does that affect the team performance and play?
I mean, yeah, the surface is a huge problem, but we are playing 1 o'clock. I mean, that's a joke for a Premier League game to be playing 1 o'clock and we are traveling from Kingston to play a game in Draxal. That's a joke. But I mean, in terms of the organizers have to look into that and see what can be done about that.
It's around. Also, I realize that's around 3 seasons now. We haven't seen any games at Jerusalem. Is the field in good condition, or are there other factors that is, preventing that from happening?
I think there are other factors that is preventing that from happening. But I mean, that's a decision over my head. So someone at the board level have to do that. But all in all, this team is moving in the right stride. As I said, we play some good football, especially in the first half. I just think overall we should have taken our chances.
Yeah. All right, want to thank you, coach, and all the best for the rest of the season. And congratulations to your team. And like I said, getting a well-deserved 1-0 victory today. All the best and Happy New Year to you and the entire Waterhouse family and fan base.
Thank you, sir. Wish you all the best as well.
Yeah,
good.